Hey, what's up, guys? I have a quick solution about if you're using ChatGPT and if if you're frequently getting the message of ChatGPT is that it's back a big capacity right now and it cannot process another chat session. So you might be looking for this solution probably on YouTube and you have found the right video. So in this video, I'm going to show you what is the proper and quick solution for this. So let's my computer section and let's go to the browser where you can check out that I have ChatGPT logged into my browser, and you can see it is at its capacity right now. And if I refresh the page, it is still giving me the warning, or giving me the sign of its capacity right now. So what you need to do right now, you just need to go to the private browsing mode, and here I'm at the Microsoft Edge. It is supports in private mode, and if you're in Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox, you can go to the incognito mode as well. So you need to go to the incognito mode and just type ChatGPT over there, and you need to log in with your account over there. So by doing this, it cannot detect the previous activity of your account, or I rather say of your browser, and as it is happening in the private mode. So you need to type ChatGPT there, and it will eventually redirect you into this chat session after a successful login. So here, as you can see, I'm at the same browser, same desktop, but you can see that key I'm using incognito mode, and it is supporting actually ChatGPT at its chat section. And if I just close it and just open it in a new tab, you can see that it will still open the chat section, but you'll get eventually you get a warning about high demand and all. But you if you type your query, in this case I'm just typing hi, and you can see it will eventually take time to get a response to your query, but you will get your response eventually. So I find this solution quite neat and quite pretty. So there is a solution that I wanted to share with you guys. I hope you like this video. If you like this, I'll eventually go. If you like this short, just give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.